I am Dr. Ketan Runparia, an HIV/AIDS specialist. Over the last 17 years, I have consulted with more than 12,000 patients. This channel is managed by expert doctors in HIV, AIDS, and the information provided here is based on scientific principles. However, it's important to remember that scientific knowledge can evolve. Much of the content here is intended for general information purposes. It is crucial to seek personalized advice from an HIV/AIDS specialist before implementing any information into your life. Our mission is to give healthy and full life to HIV-positive person. And our vision is providing adequate understanding of the disease with best treatment. Remember, no doctor or medical treatment, regardless of their origin, can cure HIV. If you encounter any claims online or offline about a cure for HIV, including articles, videos, or advertisements, please be aware that they are 100% false and intended to scam you. Currently, there is no cure for HIV. This includes treatments from all medical fields, such as Ayurveda, homeopathy, herbal medicine, gene therapy, and allopathy. Do not be tempted by these unrealistic and harmful offers. They can waste your time, money, and potentially put your health at risk. Protect yourself from fraud and scams by avoiding claims of HIV cures. Welcome back to our HIV FAQ series. In part 1, we covered a lot of ground, but there's still so much to learn. Let's dive into the next questions and continue breaking down those myths and empowering ourselves with knowledge. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's start.
What is twice-month HIV injection treatment?
There's a newer form of HIV treatment using long-acting injections given only one time in 2 months. It contains 2 medications, cabotegravir and rilpivirine. These injections offer an alternative to taking daily pills, making it easier for some people to manage their treatment. This treatment is only suitable if your viral load is already undetectable on your current medication. It's vital to talk to your doctor to see if this injection treatment is right for you. At present in 2024 this is not available in India. In future it will come to India also.
What is monthly expenses for HIV-positive patient in private doctor in India?
Unfortunately, the monthly expenses for HIV treatment at a private doctor in India can vary greatly. Factors like the specific medications prescribed, location, doctor's fees, and the need for additional tests or treatments will influence the cost. We provide treatment with 4 different options: 1000 rupees per month, 1500 rupees per month, 2000 rupees per month and 2500 rupees per month.
What I can do in India to access free HIV treatment?
It's also important to note that government hospitals and programs in India can provide HIV treatment at free of cost. Exploring these options might significantly reduce your monthly expenses if you are not able to spend even 1000 rupees per month at our private service. The good news is that the Indian government offers free HIV treatment through the National AIDS Control Program, NACP, www.naco.gov.in. This program provides free antiretroviral therapy. This is the main medication for HIV, effectively managing the virus and allowing you to live a healthy life. Counseling and support. NACP offers emotional support and guidance throughout your treatment journey. Testing services. Regular testing allows you to monitor your viral load and overall health. Here's how to access these free services. Visit a government district hospital or government of private medical college offering antiretroviral therapy services. You can find a list of such facilities near you by click on link in description for ART centers in near your home. Remember, you have the right to access free HIV treatment in India. Don't hesitate to seek the help you need.
Can HIV-positive people have a sex life?
Yes, with modern HIV medication, people living with HIV can achieve an undetectable viral load. This means the virus is suppressed to the point where it can't be transmitted sexually. Undetectable equals and transmittable, U equals U. Of course, condoms and other safer sex practices remain important for protecting against other sexually transmitted infections.
Can HIV-positive people have sex without a condom?
The answer might surprise you. For those with a consistently undetectable viral load due to effective antiretroviral treatment, the risk of transmitting HIV is effectively zero. This is the message of the U equals U campaign, undetectable equals untransmittable. However, it's crucial to always discuss this with your partner and get regular testing to ensure your viral load remains undetectable. Condoms are still fantastic for additional protection and preventing other sexually transmitted infections.
What is U equals U in respect to HIV positive people?
U equals U stands for undetectable equals untransmittable. This means that an HIV positive person taking effective antiretroviral treatment, who maintains an undetectable viral load, cannot transmit HIV to their partners. It's a game changer. Years of scientific studies have proven this, giving people living with HIV the freedom to have fulfilling sex lives without the fear of transmission.
I am HIV positive. Can I marry?
Absolutely. Being HIV positive does not prevent you from getting married. With effective treatment, people living with HIV can have long, healthy lives and loving relationships. It's important to be open with your partner about your status and discuss ways to protect their health.
I am HIV positive. Can I plan for pregnancy?
Absolutely. Being HIV positive doesn't mean you can't plan for a healthy pregnancy. With proper medical care and treatment, you can significantly reduce the risk of transmitting HIV to your baby. Consulting with an HIV specialist and your gynecologist is crucial. They will discuss options for safe conception, medications to manage your health and reduce viral load, and strategies for ensuring a healthy pregnancy and birth. As an HIV-positive pregnant lady, here's what to keep in mind regarding your baby's delivery. Work closely with your doctors. Your HIV specialist and gynecologist will create a personalized plan for your delivery and your baby's health. Take your HIV medication. Adhering to your HIV medication throughout pregnancy is crucial to suppress the virus and reduce the risk of transmission to your baby. Discuss delivery options. Your doctor might recommend C-section in some cases to further reduce transmission risk. Post-delivery care. Your baby will receive HIV medication for a short time after birth as a preventive measure. Follow-up testing for your baby will be essential as well.
What to keep in mind about breastfeeding if I'm an HIV-positive mother?
In countries with access to safe formula, it's generally recommended that HIV-positive mothers avoid breastfeeding to eliminate the risk of transmission through breast milk. Talk to your doctor. Discuss your personal situation and the best feeding options for you and your baby. They will provide guidance on formula feeding, safe alternatives, and additional considerations. HIV medication is crucial. Continue taking your HIV medication as directed to maintain an undetectable viral load. This significantly reduces transmission risks in all aspects of your and your baby's care.
As an HIV-positive parent of a newborn baby, what to keep in mind about vaccinations?
Talk to your baby's pediatrician. They'll create a vaccination schedule tailored to your baby's needs. Some vaccinations may need slight adjustments based on their HIV exposure. Most vaccines are safe. The majority of routine vaccinations are safe and important for your baby's health. Certain live vaccines may be different. Your pediatrician will advise on any modifications needed for certain live vaccines. Open communication is key. Inform your baby's doctor about your HIV status so they can provide the best care for your child.
What is side effect of HIV-ART antiretroviral therapy medicine?
HIV medications are incredibly powerful, but they can come with side effects. Some common ones include nausea, fatigue, headaches, and sleep changes. These side effects often lessen over time. More serious side effects are possible, depending on the specific medication. That's why it's crucial to talk to your doctor about potential side effects and how to manage them. Never stop your medication without consulting your doctor, as this could have dangerous consequences.
Which and when are laboratory tests used during HIV-ART treatment?
Viral load. This is the most important, measuring the amount of HIV in your blood. It checks how well your medication is working. You'll get first at 6 months of treatment, then every 12 months once your levels are undetectable. CD4 count. This measures the strength of your immune system. You'll have it checked regularly too till it has become normal 400 to 1500. After that there is no need to perform this test. Other tests. Your doctor might order tests to monitor your kidney, liver, blood sugar, and cholesterol, as some HIV medications can affect these.
How to check for drug interaction of HIV medicine with other medicine?
Checking for drug interactions is essential when you are on HIV medications. Here's what you need to do. Tell your doctor. Always give them a full list of all medications you take, including prescriptions, over-the-counter drugs, vitamins, and supplements. Online resources. Websites like the Liverpool HIV Drug Interactions Checker www.hivdruginteractions.org are fantastic tools. They let you check for potential interactions between your HIV drugs and other medications.
What is a treatment for co-infected HIV and hepatitis B infection?
Treating HIV and hepatitis B co-infection requires a specialized approach. Thankfully, several antiretroviral medications used for HIV also work against hepatitis B, providing effective treatment for both. This means you don't need separate pills for each virus. Choosing the right medication combo is crucial, so always consult your healthcare provider. They'll monitor both viruses and tailor your treatment plan. With careful management, living a healthy life with HIV and hepatitis B is absolutely possible. Wow, that's another important set of questions answered. We're getting closer to covering all your burning concerns about HIV. Don't miss the final installment, part 3, where we'll wrap up this FAQ series. See you there. Online consultation with HIV/AIDS specialist Dr. Ketan Ranparia for HIV treatment, HIV counseling, laboratory test, post-exposure prophylaxis, pre-exposure prophylaxis and HIV medicine. WhatsApp message on this number. To learn more about HIV treatment, click on the playlist on the left. For information about HIV medicine, click on the playlist on the right.